Hello, hello, this is Maui Amazona sharing with you bits and pieces of my life. Depende sa mood. In this video, I'm going to do get unready with me before I'm gonna show you the videos I took during my R&R break. Yung R&R break ko, biglaan siya. Hindi siya talaga yung original na date kung kailan ako mag-break. But, I took the chance dahil nagkaroon ng bakante. So, napulang storage ng
Back to zero.
So, napulang storage ng camera ko.
Dapat kasali ako dyan kay ginawa niya akong videographer.
So, napulang storage. I'm almost done taking off my makeup and hindi ko na patatagalin. I'm going to show you all the videos I have here during my R&R break. Bakit? Oh, ano si siya?
Hello.
Rocky!
Hello, Ru.
Hi! Nasa CI kami. Actually, makitaan sina I have another plan. Tour guide. Paano mag-sim siya? Very fun. Say cheese. Hi, it's R&R Day 7 at Quetal.
Bye-bye.
Bye!
Peace out.
Kosa. Manta.
Dito.
We're in Mantaha.
Ako, saglit ko dito sa Manila. Ito ba? Elfad?
It's time to masarap yan.
Ay, nasa buto. Zipper yan. Zipper.
Best, klaro po. Ansin na lang po. Klaro nga, taas na kayo kung po klaro. Hi! Bye! See you. Ang ganda ng kanilang mga cottages. As of this moment, hanggang below the knee pa yung water. Kaya hindi pa kami naliligo. Sarap doblis. Pag sure ka dyan ha, ay senyor. Ay, bombi kunti ko da kay tuli, ay senyor gayod. Oh, say hi muna, say hi. Busy lemon motor. Let me see. here. Come here, you wear that. Wear that. No, no, no. Wear it. Wear it. Put it on. Okay, really. Come here. Enjoying Lela eh. Puncho. Wah, grabe kayo. Umuamoy agad ka.
Dito yung money. Money. Ito yung money. Oh. Spicy siya. It's spicy? Yeah, this comes out like huh? It's spicy. Yummy. Ice cream.
And yeah, I guess that's all I can share for now. See you on my next video. Salamat!